buddy. There's a big rock right there. Oh, slippery. It's so hard to see where the trails are in the snow. I see tracks. Those tracks instantly disappeared.
I'm chasing down a rabbit.
I mean, I see tracks, but I think it's because they're his. Buddy's running the flat tire. He's running a flat tire.
I think that's why I couldn't stay straight on that trail.
Probably wasn't helping. No, the rim looks fine.
It does. I mean, this flattens out so much.
Yeah, rim's fine. That just gave you a lot more traction. Look how much tread pattern. It's a snow tire at that point.
I don't know where we are. There's a guardrail now.
Aha, there's one. Found a trail again. I would invest in hand guards if I was going to do this a lot. My freaking fingers are getting beat up by these trees. Woo. Mostly it's like because it gets so much snow, my hands start getting cold. Then it's like, ow, ow, ow.
This is fun though.
This is a lot of fun.
There's a lot of little trails out here.
Yeah, there is.
Some of them I think were made by rabbits.
I know, I'm like, I mean, I can see trails, but I think they're his. I don't know what he's following. You splashed me.
Earlier?
No, right there. Well, maybe not.
I mean, we get to a trail. I don't know how we're getting up that.
Maybe if we got to run and just kept going fast up this, we have enough momentum.
I don't think I could.
Oh, really?
I keep sliding off into
Oh.
the rut.
Here, I'm going to go down and I'm going to come up. I want you to record it. I'll see if I can cruise up through here and not hit you.
Here we are. The great outdoors. The expanse of nature. It's snowy up here. There's like 8 inches there. He's trying to go up it. Watch, he's gonna wreck right into me. I'll get momentum. Yeah, you and what traction? It's all snowy, bro. Yep, right into me. Well, hell. He made it that far. I guess I gotta get up there now too. How was it?
We can make it.
Think so? To the other side?
There's a road or trail right there that's a little flatter. So come back down there, get going. So I got into 3rd gear, mid throttle, and just hold it and just sit on that back tire.
Okay.
Just keep your legs locked and keep the front tire right in the rut. And I think you'll make it.
All right.
Sit on your back tire and it'll go. This is kind of the only steep spot. Hey, right back here you have good traction. You can get a run at it. It's right there. You gotta stay in the right one because the left one's icy because it doesn't get any sun. Might need to come back and get another run. Okay, go second. That was way harder coming up after we destroyed it. I was like, geez, this is a pain in the butt.
There's like one spot I hit traction, just
Dang it, hit a rut. We can pave a trail. Whoa, that's some deep snow. There's a rock right there.
I mean, why would you even buy a snowmobile?
Pull the phone out and check the time.
It's 11:40.
Oh, we better head back. Yeah, let's head back to the truck. Dang it. Now I'm covered in snow. I fell again. All right, we gotta hustle so we can get back. So let's just take this road all the way down till we see a nice easy road that takes us over.
Okay.
Jeez, my legs getting cold. Holy crap. My hands are so cold. That feels good. So cold. Holy crap. Look at my left hand. Buddy's running a flat tire.